There are 3 counts. First count. Second count. Third count. And this is positive. Negative is first count, second count, third count. So those show the number of actions in the count. So positive, the first count involves 1 body part. The second count involves 2 body parts. Third involves 1 body part, 2 body parts, 3 body parts, all 3. Negative circle is opposite. First count in 1, 2, 3. Can you see all involved? 2, the bottom, the middle, the hand not involved. Can you see 2? 2 counts. Second count 2 body parts. Third move 1 body part. So you must remember this is important. The sequence is very important.